We are continuing to talk about kindness, and today we're going to read a poem called Kindness Goes by Many Names. And it's by Tanya Anderson, and it's illustrated by Constanza Belluzzo. So kindness goes by many names. Well, the first thing I want to talk about is the title, because it says kindness goes by many names. Now, the word goes by means that it uses a name other than the given name. In real life, you could have a boy whose name is Charles, but he goes by Charlie. It's like a nickname. Or you could have a girl named Elizabeth, and she goes by Beth. I have a son, his name is Ashton Joseph, and he goes by AJ. So goes by just means uses a different name other than the given name. So we're going to find different names for kindness in this poem. Now, I want to talk just real quick because I already know that you know this. The genre of poetry has certain elements in it. And one of those elements is that sentences can be broken into different lines. So I know on the first line, I see that this is a sentence because there's a period at the end, but that the next sentence is broken into 3 different lines before I see another period. And then it's broken into 2 lines. So this does have that element where sentences are broken into different lines, and it affects how you read it. We also know that poems lots of times have rhyming words in them, and we'll see if this one does. And that also poetry also can have words that are repeated. So rhyme and repetition, you know a lot about that. Now, we are going to think about this essential question. What are examples of kindness that you see? And we've got lots of examples of kindness on that page, right? And also, I want to tell you that the comprehension strategy that you are going to use is a new one, and it's called clarifying. Clarifying comprehension strategy means that you stop and you clarify to figure out something. You may clarify the meaning of a word, or you may clarify by going back and looking at another part that was confusing, but you just stop and you clarify to make sure you are understanding what you are reading. So, kindness goes by many names, and I'm already thinking I need to think about how kindness can go by many names. Kindness isn't a person's name, so I think I have to read the poem to see if I can figure out what the author means by kindness goes by many names. And I'm going to be looking out for other names for kindness in the poem. Kindness goes by many names. It is giving, helping, sharing. It is what you say and what you do. It shows that you are caring. After I read it and I think about it, I kind of understand now. Kindness isn't just one thing, it's many things. It can be helping, it can be giving, it can be sharing. Those are all examples of kindness, and so they are other names for kindness. So kindness might go by the name giving, kindness might go by the name helping, kindness might also go by the name sharing. And I think kindness also goes by the name caring. So I want you to look at the examples or the pictures and see if you can find examples of those things on this page. See if you can find an example of giving. Do you see the little girl back here? She's giving flowers to the lady. Might be your grandma, might be your neighbor. Not sure, but she is giving something, and that is definitely showing kindness, right? That's the way that giving can go by the name kindness. So I am going to add that to our list, that giving is another name for kindness. Go back. A word that is highlighted. That means it is a vocabulary word. So let's just take a quick look at it.
Helping. A form of the word help, to give or do something useful, wanted, or needed. Helping my grandmother cook is fun. Helping.
All right, helping. Helping. Do you see any picture, any examples of helping in the picture? Ah, right here. He's helping her tie her shoe. He's helping them cross the street, right? So I think we can add helping as another word for kindness. So kindness goes by the name helping sometimes, right? Let's see. Now we have to look for examples of sharing. Sharing. Do you see any examples of sharing? Oh, right here. He's sharing water with this little boy right here, sharing water with this gentleman that is sitting down. He is definitely being kind by giving him a drink of water. So we are going to add sharing as another name that kindness goes by. So kindness goes by the names giving, kindness can go by the name helping, and kindness can go by the name of sharing. Let's see if there's anything else that we need. It is what you say, definitely saying kind things. It is what you do, definitely kind actions. It shows that you are caring. Wait a minute. I think we could add that. Caring for someone. See the mama back here with her baby? She's caring for that baby. So let's go ahead and add caring to our list. Kindness goes by the name caring sometimes, right? Good. Now, before I let you go, let's take another look at the poem and see what elements of poetry it has. We already said that the sentences are broken down into parts. I'm going to read it again, and you see if you can hear why it's done like that. Kindness goes by many names. It is giving, helping, sharing. It is what you say and what you do. It shows that you are caring. Yeah, breaking it into parts like that gives it kind of a rhythm, doesn't it? Now, let's see. Does it have any rhyming words? Does this poem have rhyming? Sharing, caring. I'm going to read it again. You finish out that rhyming pair for me. Ready? Kindness goes by many names. It is giving, helping, sharing. It is what you say and what you do. It shows that you are caring, right? Caring and sharing. Those are rhyming words. What about repetition? Does this have repetition? Let's take a look. I think it does. Look, it is giving, helping, sharing. So those words, it is, are also down here. It is what you say and what you do. And then again, not both it is, but it just says it shows that you are caring. So there is some repetition in there too. So this has all of those elements. Words broken into different, or sentences broken into different lines, rhyming, and repetition. Good job today in finding all the names that kindness can go by.